Hey everyone, this is Scott from DVC-Rental and buyandselldvc.com. We are at Disney's Vero Beach. This is an ocean view in-room. The room is 360 square feet. You've got your typical, say, dorm-size fridge, microwave. Now this is essentially a studio. They break it up that they have regular studios which are in different parts of the building, and this is the inn. So this is an ocean view in-room. They also have a standard view in-room. What's nice about these in-rooms is that they have 2 queen beds, where the studio has just a regular queen bed and the pull-down couch. A little extra storage. Like most of the DVC rooms, this one has 55-inch LED TV with extra storage in it. Nice sitting area, which is great for us because we're working all the time. Queen-size bed and all, beach decor. And my favorite turtle, they've got these we typically stay in the ocean viewing rooms and they've all got that turtle there. I say hi to them every time. But the main reason everybody comes here is for the view. And truthfully, it just rained. So a lot of times you'll walk out here and there'll be that, bright Caribbean blue, different colors, which is really, really nice. A little choppy at the moment just because of the rain. But I'm sure you can understand that, this is still a great view, even when it's not pastel blue at the moment. Right down below there, where that gentleman is working, it's an open green area, so a lot of times this kid's throwing a football around or a frisbee at night and people hanging out. Hammocks around the resort. There's cornhole down there, and right down there is where the pool is. There's also a complimentary 9-hole miniature golf course, so my kids absolutely love doing that. And obviously right on the beach, they've got, you can bring your own, but they've got beach chairs and umbrellas that you can pay for, kayaks, boogie boards. They got jet ski you can rent as well. So lots of really fun stuff to do. And truthfully, my main suggestion is to go to Disney for a couple days. This is actually a very big balcony too. Not super wide, but it's deep. It's probably a good 10 feet deep. But go to Disney for a couple days, you're going to be exhausted. When you come back from your Disney vacation, you need another vacation. So I'd say go to Disney for a couple days, then come relax here. This is really good for probably a 3-night stay. I've seen a lot of people do more than that. But my family and I have typically found that 3 nights work well because there's not a ton of stuff to do. You're right outside Sebastian and you're in Vero Beach, so there's outside restaurants and stuff. But at the resort, it's not like Disney where there's tons of stuff to do. You've got a really, really great pool with the miniature golf and then the beach. But other than that, it's not like there's a lot of nightlife or fireworks or, there's obviously no rides or entertainment stuff to do. But just beautiful Disney resort on the Atlantic, really, really mellow. We found this to be one of our most relaxing vacations is being here. So go kill yourself at Disney, all the walking, all the craziness, all the fun, and then come here just to mellow out a little bit. So again, like regular Disney, you've got nice granite countertops on everything. You've got the bathroom, subway tile. Nothing super. But I mean, again, this is just a basic studio. It's their in-room little hidden Mickey. But I mean, this is Vero Beach. Absolutely great resort to check out. Again, 360 square feet. So this is a larger room. I think the studios I found here vary in sizes. So this is 360 square feet as the generic rule for Vero Beach. I think this one is definitely a little bit bigger. This seems like a really well-sized room. I mean, there's a lot of room on this side of the bed. That is a good 7 feet right there. So there's plenty of room for suitcases or anything else you want to do. But this is a nice sized room. And again, you can't beat those views. So again, we're DVC-Rental.com. Put in the dash to save the cash. So if you want to rent the room for about half of what Disney charges, definitely check out our rental company. Or if you're thinking of becoming a Disney Vacation Club member and you want to make this your home resort or possibly one of the other Disney resorts your home resort, check out our licensed realtor company, buyandselldvc.com. I'm trying to get a good view. I think it's hard to see. It's too bright unless I get up closer, but that's okay. Well, hope you enjoyed the video. Check out our DVC Weekly show. We put that out every single week. give you information about renting points, anything Disney related, DVC related. So thank you very much and have a wonderful day.